Hello and welcome to the Profile ID overview. ID stands for Informed Decisions, and in this tutorial we'll show you how to use Profile ID to inform your decision making. Profile ID is an online community profile for a local government area or region. The one we'll be using for these tutorials is for the area administered by Penrith City Council in Sydney, New South Wales. This may not be the region you're wanting to analyse, but the principles I'll show you here will apply to each of the community profiles we've built for more than 230 local government areas across Australia. We'll look at what information is available in Profile ID, how to navigate the site and interpret the results. We'll also show you how to pull the information together to tell the story of your place and use it for funding submissions, strategic and service delivery planning, and providing information to your local residents and businesses. If you don't know anything about Penrith, by the time you've finished, you'll know a lot about this place and the people who live there. So this is the community profile homepage. You can see that it's set up for navigation by the menus on the left. You've got access to a wealth of information about the area you're looking at. We set up small area profiles so you can get information for your local government area and each of a range of small areas within that area. Often in metropolitan areas they're called suburbs, in regional areas they may be districts or towns or precincts or any other way of breaking down a local government area. We have a range of topics available from the information contained in the census. Census is done every 5 years, and we've got information in profile from 2011 census, the latest year, right back to 1991 census, so 5 census years. We have that under 4 main headings here, which are based on questions that you want to ask about your community to help you with planning for that community. Firstly, what is the population? We have some population information and dwelling information in there, so you can have a look at population change and average household size and that sort of thing. We also have 3 different views of age being one of the most important topics collected in the census. The age profile of an area can tell you a lot about an area and how it's changing, and you can view that in either service age groups, which are also called life stage age groups, 5-year age groups, or single year of age. Who are we is questions about the identity of the population, particularly cultural identity, including a lot of information about ancestry, country of birth, languages and religions, education levels, and need for assistance with a disability. What do we do is questions about employment and unpaid work, employment status, industry and occupation, unpaid work including volunteer work, childcare, domestic work and unpaid care to a person with a disability. We also have income information, household and individual incomes, and equivalised household income, which is a way of looking at income while equivalising the household size, so it's not affected by the number of people in the household. And the last set of topics we have is how do we live. Household types and life stages are available in there, so you can have a look at how those are changing within an area. Housing tenure and housing costs, dwelling type, size of dwellings and number of vehicles and internet connection. All of those questions are available not just for the city overall, but for each of the small areas. As you can see using this little pop-up menu, it tells you which area you're in, and all of those topics are available for each of those small areas. To view an area, you go to a topic, and you may select then an area from the list. And that updates on the site. You also have a selection of benchmarks, data types and comparison years for your topics, and all the topics come with a table and 2 charts as well as some text about the area. We'll go into those in a future video. Just to finish up, it's worthwhile having a look at the home page where there is some information about the total population of the area. Right on the home page, that is the estimated resident population, and it's the official population of the area, which is updated annually. There's also a news section on this page which gives you some information about current Profile ID news or information from our blog. As well as those main topics on the profile, there's some specialist information in this section which we'll dedicate another tutorial to as well. For now, that's it for the Profile ID overview. So Please watch our other videos, and we hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.